Hey guys, it's Bodie with IPTVWire.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a new adult streaming app on any Firestick or Fire TV device. In this example, I'm using an Amazon Firestick 4K Max, but this tutorial will work on any variation of the Amazon Firestick or Fire TV device. Now, before diving in, just a quick disclaimer. IPTV Wire does not own or operate any adult streaming apps. We have no affiliation with adult streaming apps, and we do not endorse anyone under the age of 18 to use adult streaming apps. Now guys, the first step to install this new adult streaming app is to go to the home screen on your Fire Stick, and the first thing we're going to do is hover over Find, click Search, and I'm going to install the Downloader application. So type in Downloader here. And as you'll see, it populates for me. Click Downloader. Click the orange icon under Apps and Games. And guys, if you already have Downloader installed, you can simply skip ahead to the later steps in this video. But click Download, and then we're going to wait a few seconds here while Downloader is installing. All right, after Downloader has installed, before launching, we do need to change a few settings on our Fire Stick. So make sure you click the Home button and then hover over the Settings icon. Scroll down and click My Fire TV. Click About. Click Fire TV Stick 4K Max or whatever this says here until you see the following message. No need, you are already a developer. Once you see that message, click the back button, click Developer Options, click Install Unknown Apps, click Downloader, and as you'll see, it now says On. So we have now turned on the ability to install unknown apps on Downloader. So click the Home button on your remote, scroll down, and you should see Downloader under Recently Used Apps. Click that to launch it. Click Allow, click OK, and you have now installed the Downloader app. All right, so after you've installed the Downloader app, simply click the search box, and I'm going to enter the following code, 994413. Double check that and click Go. And what this will do is this will redirect us to the APK installation file for this new adult streaming app. And this adult streaming app is called Incognito Play. So I'm going to wait a few seconds here while this app is downloading on my Fire Stick. All right, so after the app has downloaded, I'm going to click Install. Wait a few seconds for the app to install. All right, and the application has installed. Now guys, before launching, I'm going to click Done. And I'm going to delete the installation file. So click Delete. Click Delete again, click the Home button on your remote, and now I'm going to hold down the Home button, click Apps, find the new adult streaming app called Incognito Play, click the Options button, click Move, and I'm going to move this towards the front of my apps list and click OK to drop it. So guys, that's how you install this new adult streaming app, but something very important before using this or any adult streaming app is I would ensure that I am connected to a reliable VPN. Surfshark VPN is our #1 recommended VPN at IPTV Wire. And guys, I personally just do not trust these third-party adult applications. And by being connected to a VPN like Surfshark, I can ensure that my connection to the internet is secure. I also do not trust my internet service provider monitoring what I am doing online. So guys, Surfshark VPN, I do have a special discount link below this video, and that does help support my channel and myself. So guys, that's it. That is how you install this new adult streaming app on any Fire Stick or Fire TV device. And I'm not going to launch this for obvious reasons, but again, this is Bodie. I appreciate you guys watching this video. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment below, and I hope you guys have a great day.